Nicollet County Health and Human Services is forming a new committee to gather community feedback on local programs. The county says it's currently looking for 9 volunteers to help run its new Community Health, Human and Veteran Services Advisory Committee. It's hoped volunteers step forward with experience in fields related to healthcare, housing, and transportation, as well as community members who are unfamiliar with existing programs. Their job will be to provide feedback after reviewing data and priorities from the county's budget, the Community Health Assessment, and the Community Health Improvement Plan. In a statement, Nicollet County's Health and Human Services Director said, quote, "Ultimately, our goal is to build stronger connections between county staff, service recipients, providers, and community members, helping increase awareness of available services, measure impact, and ensure programs meet local needs," end quote. Community members have until March 31st to submit an application to join the board. The county says official appointments will be announced in May. If selected, committee members would be expected to meet quarterly in the evening beginning in June.